Hey, it's Jeff. I'm burning the midnight oil here, finishing off the slide deck and the workbook for Mindset Masterclass. I'm getting more and more excited to share this with you and actually see it in the masterclass itself. So this video is really what I would call a mini unboxing. I can't unbox the whole thing for you because it's literally not quite done yet. We'll be polishing off the rest of the masterclass tomorrow. But I at least want to review with you what you're getting here. So first of all, just an overview, and you can read this obviously, but this masterclass is really about you mastering mindset. For once and for all, having the keys, having the strategies, having the approaches that it takes to master your own mindset and actually support clients or those that you lead to master their mindset as well. Now, why can I help you with this? Why can I help you help your clients and those that you lead on your teams or loved ones or associates with how you're going to make a difference with them, with their mindset? Well, I've been transforming my own clients' mindset and my own mindset as well, for that matter, for over 25 years now. 24 years as a professional coach. A few years before that when I was really working on my own and practicing as a coach on an amateur level. But ultimately, anybody who's stuck with me for, more than a few sessions, they've transformed what they really wanted to transform in their mindset. And if they continue to follow my coaching, their mindset is still transformed to this day. When I work with somebody on their mindset, their life is really forever changed in whatever respect we actually are working through what they need or want to change. So again, I'm not going to read through all of this, but this is what you learn. These 6 major items, and these are literally the modules that I'm going to take you through inside of Mindset Masterclass. And you're going to get a certificate of completion that certifies you as a mindset coach under Master Coach University. You're going to have a very detailed step-by-step workbook with blueprints and a strategy guide, and also, of course, a full recording of the masterclass. And before I get into the bonuses, I just want to address that, mindset is one of those things that so many people are overconfident about, especially coaches, because when a coach has gone to a seminar or two, or they turned a part of their life around, or maybe they got some coaching and it really helped them, it tends to be so emotional. It tends to be such a victory for us that we get overconfident that we have this amazing power of mindset and that it applies to everything in our life and that everything will be better and that we can help anybody, anytime, anywhere with mindset now because we addressed one part of our life and it felt really, really good. And the truth is that mastering mindset is a lot deeper than just having 1 or 2 victories. If you really want to transform your mindset such that it propels you to another level in your life, in your relationships, in your finances, in your career, in your business, in your physical body, in the way that you manage time, if you want to have the capacity to change any client's mindset, any team member's mindset, anytime, anywhere, in any circumstance, and really leave them profoundly transformed, it takes a lot more than a seminar or 2, or watching a couple videos on the internet, or taking a home study course or 2. It really takes not just experience, but it takes the knowledge of how mindset works. And that's what you're learning in Mindset Masterclass. So there's a bunch of bonuses here. Some of them I already covered because they were mentioned above. Become a certified mindset coach. You're going to get a certificate of completion afterwards. We'll make sure that is sent to you. The reference workbook, full recording, and the slides. All the slides, you're going to have those. You'll be able to reference the slides in the masterclass as well. There'll be a live Q&A during the masterclass as well. So all your questions while we go through this are going to be fully answered. I can promise you that. You're going to get a one-on-one Become a Mindset Coach strategy session with one of my highly trained coaches that are very successful mindset coaches in their own right. And then I'm also going to provide you a Become a Mindset Coach video series. These videos cover additional details around mindset coaching that you probably are not going to see in the Mindset Masterclass, and you probably haven't seen before as well. So those are 6 bonuses amounting to, about $1,500 of additional valuable bonuses that we're providing you on top of the basic masterclass itself. And I'm very excited to share this mystery bonus with you that I've just revealed, where I'm going to put together a compendium of my deepest mindset coaching live streams. These are private, exclusive live streams that I worked with my mastery level students over a period of years to produce. There are a bunch of these, but only a few of them, around 20 of them, actually specifically address mindset and mindset coaching approaches. These are just a few that you'll actually receive as this ultimate mystery bonus. I don't even know what kind of value I would place on this. It's probably worth thousands of dollars. Took me decades to come across and learn this knowledge from various coaches and seminars and books and practices and working with my clients and trial and error, how to assess your client's thinking, what motivates your client, transformational coaching elements. And some of these address you using mindset to propel you as a coach to the next level. And some of them actually address how you'll use mindset in your coaching with your clients as well. So some of these, like the coach's journey, your lack of coaching confidence, from purpose to possible, these are elements that really impact. I mean, they could certainly impact your clients as well, but they definitely impact you as a coach. The belief trap is a huge one. Levels of consciousness is a really in-depth element around values hierarchies and how they impact long-term change in a client, how to create effortless transformation, identity change psychology, reality distortion fields, grief and crisis coaching, and we can go on and on. There's some very specific applications around mindset that are covered in some of these live streams, and others are more frameworks and blueprints that I've learned from some of the top mindset gurus and thought leaders on the planet, really ever to live, and how that applies to the process that you take a client through or your own process of optimizing your mindset as a coach, running your coaching business, propelling you as a coach in your career progress as well. So again, if you're watching this video by this point, it's probably a few hours before we close registration, final registration on this, at least this discounted form of the Mindset Masterclass. So check it out, get it while you can. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you think it wasn't really worth it or just feel like you don't want it anymore, then you just let me know. We'll give you an immediate refund, no questions asked. And then finally, very excited just to run through these slides with you very briefly. We cover all sorts of elements around why mindset is important, why different forms of addressing mindset don't work. We cover all the breaking points around therapy and training and support groups and on and on. And we cover the real difference that the most effective mindset strategies make in terms of context versus content and how to reprogram that within yourself and your clients as well. Again, I'm not going to go on. This is about where the limit of the slides are right at this moment. There's going to be over 100 slides by the time this is complete. And then again, this workbook is very, very detailed. It covers everything that's in the slides and then some. It is, you can literally read it like a book. It's not one of those workbooks where you just like fill in a few blanks and like good luck with the rest and a place to take notes. You can certainly take notes on this, but this really captures in-depth approaches that are covered in the slides, and it actually talks you through it word for word. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you and working with you live in the Mindset Masterclass. I'll see you there.